Today we're talking about how to market a well repair and drilling business. Hi, I'm Gary Horton with Find Life Marketing. In this video, I lay out a marketing strategy you can use to promote a well repair and drilling business. Some parts of this strategy might seem obvious, like answering the phone, but each part is essential for success. First, I'll cover the basics. Then at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can easily automate your marketing so it runs with very little effort on your part. Plus, I show you an easy way to delegate the heavy lifting to professionals so you can focus on managing your business and taking care of customers. The best marketing is word-of-mouth marketing. To make the most of word-of-mouth marketing, remember that people do business with people they know, like, and trust. Once people get to know you, like you, and trust you, they do more than hire your services. They recommend you to others who then recommend you to still more people, and your business grows. It begins with a website and a Google business profile. These form the foundation of this marketing strategy. A Google business profile is free. Google also offers a website for free too. If you don't already have a website and a Google business profile, you can get them through the links in the description below this video. Customers can leave reviews on your Google business profile. These reviews are your online reputation, and it's important to ask customers to write a review of your business. Remember to reply to reviews too. To reply to a good review, you can write something like, "Thanks for your terrific review. It was a pleasure to work on your well project." Bad reviews can be expected and may actually improve the credibility of your business because they make your overall rating more realistic and believable. If you get a bad review, just reply with something like this: "I'm sorry you were not pleased with our well service. I'll call you to see what we can do to make things right." It's important to show that you take care of your customers, even the ones that leave poor reviews of your well business. Also, remember to be kind when you respond to a review. When you show kindness, people naturally like you. The next part of this strategy may seem obvious, but if you mess this up, all your marketing efforts are wasted. It's as simple as answering the phone. If no one answers the phone when someone calls your business, the caller will probably call your competition the moment they hang up, and it's doubtful they'll call your business again. Fortunately, there's software that can prevent this from happening. I'll tell you more about that in a moment. Once you have a Google business profile and a website, and you have fail-safes in place to answer the phone, no matter what, it's time to advertise your business. There are dozens of places to advertise, but most are not suitable for promoting a well repair and drilling business. To shamelessly oversimplify advertising, there are two types of places you can promote your business. Let's call these two types of advertising billboard advertising and as-needed advertising. Billboard advertising includes billboards, of course, but it also includes local radio spots, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Pinterest. Because people stumble across these ads while they're doing other things, these advertising platforms act like billboards, the same billboards you drive past every day. These platforms work for publishing, retail, entertainment, and community awareness, but they don't work for well repair and drilling businesses. Here's why. When people need a well drilled or a well repaired, they don't drive around hoping to find a billboard promoting a well repair and drilling business. They don't listen to the radio hoping to hear an ad for a well repair and drilling business either. And by the same token, they don't search Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, or YouTube hoping to stumble across an ad for a well repair and drilling business. When people need a well drilled or repaired, they search Google for a well repair and drilling business that can help them. This is why Google search ads are the best advertising platform for a well repair and drilling business. Google search ads puts your business in front of people exactly when they need your service. And because your phone number is in the ad, they call you directly. When they call, you have an exclusive one-on-one opportunity with the caller. You can take your time to build rapport and get the job. However, Google search ads are complicated and time-consuming to manage, and if you make a mistake, it can be very expensive. This is why we recommend you hire a professional to manage your Google ads for you. When professionally managed, Google search ads can earn a handsome profit for your company. Professional management also frees you to focus on running your business and attending to other priorities. Here's how Find Life Marketing can help you. At Find Life Marketing, we specialize in managing Google search ads for service companies like your well repair and drilling business. Plus, our special software is specifically designed to help you. It makes communicating with prospects easy and seamless. If you're busy and can't answer the phone, our software automatically sends a message to the caller. It reaches out and lets them know you are available to help them. Then, with just a click, the caller can call you back. Our software makes asking for reviews and replying to reviews as easy as clicking a button on your phone. You can do it from anywhere. It also allows people to message your phone from your website, making it easy for prospects to become customers. If you'd like to know more about our software and how Find Life Marketing can find new customers for your well repair and drilling business, send us an email. Our contact information is in the description below this video. At Find Life Marketing, our business is to make your business more successful, to help you earn more in less time, with less effort, and less stress. We understand that you're in business to create a better life for yourself and for the people you love. That's why we named our company Find Life.